Hello friends, once again welcome uh, on my channel, and today we are going to talk about a new tool we use in this Icecream video editor. So let's talk about that. Uh, so before that, let's add one video here. Let's drag to timeline. So here is. So we are today we are going to talk about crop tool. So what this crop tool is, actually it is used to crop or resize our video. Uh, we can crop particular section, particular area of our video. So how to crop it? Just I'm clicking here. So if you want to have blurred background, just so you can check it out. If not, then so you can leave it here. And after that, if I click crop, then actually uh, if I want my project or my video to have uh, as it is of the same aspect ratio, then it's okay. If not, you can uncheck it, and after that you can see the output on right side. So this is how we can crop it. So which section you want to have here, and just you can move it here like this. Like suppose I want to have only this much, so in this way you can crop it. And if you don't want this section, then just you can remove it, and after that just you click done. As you press done, and if you play it, then look like here only that section is visible, and all of the sections they become invisible. So this is called cropping. And if you check out it, keep the project aspect ratio same whatever you have in your video. Just then check out it, and after that click it. You can see the aspect ratio, it is being same, it is not changing here, but in previous actually it was changed. Now click done. We can see there as aspect ratio means width and height, it is being same, whereas in previous case it was reduced. So it's very simple to crop our video. If we don't want to have a particular scene, then so we can remove from our video. So very simple to understand. Thank you guys. In next video we'll be talking about some other tools. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thank you.